Right now, sand is falling, and it will never stop. Every second that passes is a grain you never get back, and almost nobody notices until it's far too late, except the one who finally decides to look up. So let me explain your entire life in 10 minutes. It starts with something you never chose: your country, your parents, your face. Pure chance. Some are born into light, some into shadow. And here's the first thing nobody tells you. The starting line was never the thing that mattered. What matters is what you do with the roll. Once the dice have already stopped rolling, then the world begins to shape you. Sit still, obey, color inside the lines, and slowly your strange, wonderful edges get sanded down. You learn to wear a face that isn't yours. Everyone around you is wearing one too. But behind the mask, something real is still awake. It whispers to you at 3 a.m. Is this really all there is? That whisper is the most important voice you own. But the world is loud, and it wants you distracted, because a distracted person is easy to control. They built you a cage so comfortable, you forgot there was ever a door. Here's the secret. The cage was never locked. You were always free to walk out. So why does almost nobody actually leave? One reason, and it has a name: fear. The oldest lie you'll ever believe. But fear is not a wall. It's a signpost. Whatever scares you most is pointing at your path. The exit is always on the other side of it. The path only reveals itself once you move. Waiting for certainty is how dreams quietly die. Someday is the most dangerous word there is, because someday almost always means never. So start now. Start badly. Just start. A messy first step beats a perfect plan that never leaves your head. And here's the strange magic of the first step. Each step makes the next one easier to take. Tiny actions snowball into things that look impossible. The best time to plant was years ago. The second best time is right now. But the moment you move, they'll notice. The ones who never left the cage will judge loudest. Their opinion is a bill you never have to pay. People rarely attack you. They attack their own regret. So let them talk and keep on walking. And then, of course, you'll fall. Everyone does. The plan breaks, the dream cracks. And in that pit, one thought will haunt you. Maybe they were right. Maybe I should quit. But failure isn't the opposite of success. Failure is the staircase success is built on. Every fall hands you something you couldn't learn winning. The only real failure is refusing to stand back up. Fall 7 times. Stand up 8. You don't come out the same. You come out sharper. And now you see the real climb ahead. It looks impossibly big from down here. So don't climb the mountain. Climb the next step. You never need the whole staircase. Just the first stair. Dream as big as the sky. Act as small as today. The higher you climb, the thinner the air. And a voice will beg you to turn back. Comfort is the sweetest trap on the mountain, but the pain of comfort lasts a lifetime. The pain of discipline is over in a moment. Discipline isn't a prison. It's the key. It's built from boring choices repeated on boring days. Motivation fades fast, but habits don't need it. A drop of water can carve through solid rock, not through force, but through never stopping. Near the top, you'll finally turn and look back, and that tiny dot below was once your whole world. You didn't just reach higher, you became more. And then, at last, you reach the top. But the summit hides a secret nobody warns you about. Behind every peak, there's always another mountain. The prize you chased feels smaller than you imagined, because it was never really about the summit. The meaning was hidden in the climb the whole time. Every hard step was the reward. You just couldn't see it. So you climb down and you choose a new mountain. Only now, you're not afraid of the hard parts. You've learned to love the very thing that scared you. This game has no finish line, and that's the gift. Now, remember that sand still falling around you? It was never running out to punish you. It was handing you a chance, over and over. And one of those grains is falling right now. You can stay masked in the comfortable cage, or you can finally step through that open door. Nobody is coming to take that step for you. This is your one shot, your single wild life. So don't waste it waiting for permission. Your whole life was explained. The rest is yours.